Okay, guys. Sorry, we are having technical difficulties over here. So when you finish dividing, okay, we had 104, we subtracted, we have 11 left. We brought down our 5, okay, and then we also had 115 divided by 13 was 8 again. Subtracted our 104, and we had 11 left over. We are not going to write remainder 11. We are also not going to make this a decimal and add our 0 and make this an exact answer, 88 point whatever it is, because the key word in this problem, guys, was that it said about, okay, about how many each group gets. So I do not need an exact answer. Yes, I had 11 cookies left, but that's not enough for another group, okay? So each group gets about 88, and I stop there. Pay attention to some of those key words, about. All right, looking at the next problem, number 2. My class 2. A store is celebrating its 19th year of being in business by giving away a prize to every 19th online customer. A total of 8,281 customers bought something. A, what is the total number of prizes they give away? Go ahead and answer that now. What is your equation here for this one? Mimi?
19 times 8
She said I'm multiplying 19 times 8,281. Malia, what do you think?
What do you mean 8,281?
Yeah, dividing by 19. Because every 19 people, they're giving out a prize. I'm dividing there. Very nice. And when you divide this out, which I'm not going to do because you're going to see why. What'd you get when you divide this out? Did you solve it? Or some people are just sitting there? Ladies and gentlemen, solve it now. Not just sitting there, guys, waiting for answers. answered or somebody in your area? Ladies and gentlemen, this makes me nervous for you for tomorrow. I have lots of friends sitting, not practicing. Friends who don't remember how to do this long division. That means you need to practice. Can I do 8 divided by 19? What about 82 divided by 19? How many times does 19 go into 82?
4 times.
Because, come off to the side, 19 times 4 is what? When you subtract 82 minus 76, you get, so now you need to bring down your,
8.
what's 68 divided by 19? Very good, 3. Because what is 19 times 3?
57.
When you subtract 68 minus 57, 11. I need to bring down my 1. What's 111 divided by 19?
I haven't got there yet. No, 6. 5.
5. Yeah, because what is 19 times 5? What's 9 times 5?
104. 90.
And what do I have? 111 minus 95.
16.
Very nice. What do I do with that 16?
Remainder.
I do not want a remainder. You guys are better than that. Let's get an exact answer here. Do I have anything else to bring down?
No.
No, so I need to add a
0.
0. When I add a 0, I also have to add a.
Decimal.
What's 160 divided by 19?
Good job.
What is 19 times 8? Mimi?
152.
19 times 8. 9 times 8 is?
72.
8 times 1 is?
8.
Plus 7?
15.
I get a remainder of?
7.
Is that right? 160 minus 152? I think you do have something wrong here. What do we have wrong?
Did you remainder the 7? I mean, not remainder.
There's something wrong. What is it? Kara? Yeah, it's not 7. It should be 8. Very nice. What else? So I have an 8 left over.
Plus
I need to do what then?
your
Bring down a
0.
another 0. Do I add another decimal?
No.
No. So now 80 divided by 19. And ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to stop you here because my point of this problem actually is not doing long division. I was worried when lots of friends couldn't do long division, okay? I want you guys to finish this one on your own. But what I want to talk about this one was it has a remainder. And I'm going to tell you it actually even is going to be okay. They want to know what is the total number of prizes they give away. So is this our answer? I hear yeses and I hear no's. Why is it not my answer? Alyssa? Because decimals aren't whole numbers. And why do I care about having whole numbers here? Yeah, they're asking for a total number of prizes. Ladies and gentlemen, you have to be able to interpret answers. They're asking how many prizes they're going to be giving away. Then, are they going to take away, so they have a decimal here. Are they going to take a prize? And maybe the prize is a stuffed animal. Well, this is a decimal. It's not a whole number here. So they're going to take the stuffed animal and just take its arm off and give me part of the prize? You only get half the teddy bear. I'm going to take its head off. You get just the body. Okay? Are they going to do that?
No.
So you guys have to think about what they're asking you. You might have to interpret. Yes, this is our final answer, but this isn't the answer I'm writing on paper because they want to know how many prizes. So I'm looking at only my whole number. 435 prizes. Okay? They were getting closer. Once this becomes a whole number, then that would be another prize, right? But they're not there yet. They don't have enough people to have another prize yet. Okay? This was just like our remainder on the last one. Okay? When they had the word about. Okay? Make sure you interpret. Ladies and gentlemen, I promise you, on your iLearn, you will have at least one of these where you have to interpret that remainder, that leftover amount, and they're not wanting to know the leftover amount. You're going to have to give them that whole number. I can't tell you which one it'll be. I don't know. I don't see it either. I'm giving you the heads up to watch for it. Okay? Interpret means that you have to think about and decipher and solve that for yourself. Okay? If you have questions on your test, feel free to ask Mrs. Long and I. Okay? We can't give you answers. Okay? But if you have some confusion about wording, okay, make sure you guys are asking questions. Okay? All right, that's what I wanted to point out to you guys on that one. Please make sure you know how to do long division. If not, you need to ask Mrs. Long or myself, guys. Okay? All right. That is all we are doing in our packet for now. We have one more day that we might do a little bit more in it, so still do not get rid of your iLearn packets that we're using, okay, for our review. For homework tonight, you have a vocabulary on symmetry. That's all you have. Is your vocabulary. Any questions? All right, go ahead and get started working in that vocabulary.